Join us for the first episode of our Boracay Island adventure, where we feature our home for the next few days, the Henann Crystal Sands Resort, which is conveniently located along the beachfront of Station 2, where all the action is, such as the mall, outdoor shopping complex, as well as the majority of restaurants and bars. Hi everybody, we just arrived at the new Henann Crystal Sands Resort. It's our first time here, and I think it should be a pretty damn cool resort looking at the pictures. Can't wait to show it to you guys. Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, so we're in the process of checking in. All we had to show was ID and our health declaration form, as well as what else did we show?
Valid ID.
Oh yes, the valid ID.
Hello, welcome to Henann Crystal Sands.
This spacious and modern beachfront resort features 188 world-class rooms, 2 swimming pools, and 1 roof deck pool with sunset views, gym and fitness center, and an all-day dining restaurant serving modern coastal cuisine. Welcome to one of the best rooms you can have at this resort. This is a premier room with direct pool access. So we have a safe, bathrobes, slippers, umbrellas. This room is 42 square meters with a spacious veranda with direct pool access, outdoor dinette set, and a sun lounger. There is also a sitting area with a dinette set. Queen size bed. That looks like a twin. How are you, babe?
Fine.
Welcome home.
Thanks.
My favorite channel, TLC. Got a fridge. Tea, coffee. Those are the channels. Nice desk. Very powerful aircon. Looks like a little bit of a welcome sanitation package. And our bath. Look at this, guys. Okay, so some toiletries here. And a phone. That's always nice. We left Makati at 10 a.m. and it's already 5 p.m. We're about to have the famous Boracay sunset. But we're also starving, so we gotta think about dinner. It took so long because our flight was actually at 12:45 p.m. but it got delayed till 1:45, and I think we actually left maybe like 2:15 from Manila. So glad to be here, glad to have finally arrived, and now we're gonna plan out the rest of our afternoon and evening. The Sky Pool is located on the 3rd floor above their all-day dining restaurant, and it is a tropical oasis with sun loungers, cabanas, and a swim-up sunken pool bar, which is bound to become a part of every guest's daily routine. It has a Mediterranean vibe with pumping house music in the background, and the infinity pool extends to reveal the iconic Boracay sunset. We decided to go to the roof deck pool bar. You know why? It's sunset time with margaritas. The pool bar offers a dignified selection of cocktails, wines, and liquors, as well as fresh fruit shakes and juices, while the dining menu has comfort international favorites from burgers, pizzas, pastas, and gambas to Filipino classics like crispy pata and bulalo. Love you, coach. Guys, what an awesome roof deck pool they have over here. I'm gonna be back here more often, and the music they're playing really sets the mood. Guys, that was probably the best roof deck pool I've ever seen in Boracay, and they made amazing cocktails. Pizza was decent, filled our tummies, but of course we're still hungry and we're looking for more. So we're gonna do a nightlife walking tour from Station 3 to Station 1, see what's available, see what time places close, and try to find a place for dinner. I love having a room with direct pool access. That is so cool. How are you doing, my love?
Relaxing.
Oh, and that shower that we had, oh my God, that was so hot. It was perfect. So we're freshened up and we're gonna head out soon. Hey guys, we're starting our Boracay nightlife tour on a Friday night here at Niggy Niggy's. This is one of my all-time favorite happy hours, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Buy one, take